All you get back. Coming to the stage is a girl who's new in town. She go by the name Where Your Stacks At. This pretty little thing I swear won't let you down. Watch her drop it like hey. She's a super freak. You wouldn't know it if you saw her outside these velvet walls. No, she don't go where preachers preach. She only goes to the church where dollars fall. Watch her drop it like hey.
It's Jenkins, Bruno Mars, remix, let's go. Yeah, I would like to drop a little knowledge, but you like dropping dollars. Don't tell me that you're doing this so you can go to college. See, this more like a hobby, a game and you the player. She up to dancing solo and money is a layup. See, this shit come in layers, first dancing then come favors, then you fall into the dark side. Keep I'm dark up on these faders. They thought it would be funny, but now she getting boned for the love of money. At least she being frank, all she wants is being Franks. Could've got a Fresh Prince, but all she wants is Miss Banks. Yo, she looking for a thriller, but she should really beat it. Cause they be Andrew Zimmer, and if it look good, eat it. They don't know how to treat it, and I ain't talking cancer. The stories don't talk bullshit and ain't got all the answers, But I've known this for a while. My lyrics make her dance, but my money make her smile.